Not many people would view it that way. So a viewer reached out to our Verified team about a post on Facebook claiming if you're suffering a heart attack and you're alone that you should breathe deeply and cough every 2 seconds. Well, the Verified fact checkers went to work on this, going straight to the American Heart Association for some accurate answers. Believe it or not, the science behind this is somewhat true, but we should point out only in isolated cases when victims realize they're about to lose consciousness and know how to cough to prevent fainting. The American Heart Association does not recommend this procedure, and they don't recommend teaching it either. They say it's just too dangerous. So we can verify the science behind the so-called cough CPR is real, but the Heart Association says it is not an effective way to treat a heart attack. It's always better to call 911, obviously. Also not a good idea getting a medical advice from Facebook. If you have something you'd like us to verify, email us at verify@kens5.com. You can use the hashtag KENS5Verify on Facebook, and that is verified.